Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This video, before we go on, is not in any way an endorsement or a promotion of the Trading Geek. I'm just going to say this upfront because I know there's a lot of things that have been said about this guy, but I've watched some of his videos, and I think some of the videos, they do make sense. So what are some of the things that I've learned from the Trading Geeks videos, from watching his videos about the journey to mastering forex trading? That's what this video is about. So if you are new, please subscribe, like the video, leave your thoughts and comments in the comment section below. If there's anything else that you feel I might have left out that worked in your own journey on mastering forex trading, please leave your comments in the comment section below so that you also help other people out there who are struggling with their own journey mastering forex trading. So the first thing that the Trading Geek mentions is planning your journey. I've seen many people fail at this one. They want to trade forex, they want to trade stocks, they want to trade whatever that is tradable out there, but they don't have a clear goal in mind. So after trading, then what? After making your millions in trading, then what? After making your thousands, your hundreds of dollars in trading, then what? That's something that many people actually skip when they're trying to master or go on their journey of forex trading. So the first thing that you need to do is to plan your journey. You need to set out clear, ambitious goals. Understand your motivations, your why. Why are you wanting to trade? Why are you not looking for a job? Why are you not starting another business out there? Why are you not doing anything else that people do out there? Why trading? Why are you choosing trading? This fundamental step is actually crucial in maintaining your focus and perseverance. You need perseverance in the markets because the hard times, trust me, are going to come. The market is going to challenge you. I mean, you always see blue screens and blue screens everywhere, but people don't tell you how hard it actually is. So if you don't know your why are you venturing into this thing, that's when it's very easy for you to just give up and you say, what? Forex trading is a scam, it doesn't work, it's hard, and all those things. Number two, visualizing success. This is an important one. It also helped me actually in my own journey of trying to achieve success in trading. You need to regularly visualize what you want to achieve, your goals, and imagine. I don't know where you are at this point in life. Imagine that thing that you want, that you really, really want in your life. Maybe it's a car, maybe it's a house, maybe it's a retirement thing. I don't know what you really, really want, what your definition of success is regarding your life. That's what you constantly need to visualize. And this mental exercise actually helps you to align with your actions when you're actually trading and your objectives, and it actually fosters a positive mindset, because without visualizing your success, trust me, you lose an account today, you are going to hang up everything and you're going to leave. So you need to visualize that thing that you call your definition of success. That's what is going to keep you persevering during the hard times. Trust me, I keep saying hard times because the hard times do come. Ignore the positive balances and the blue screens that we usually post. The hard times are there in this thing called forex trading, and sometimes you ask yourself, did I make the right choice, or maybe I should go and look for a job or do something else? So you need to constantly visualize what you feel is success. Number three, you probably need to learn from the best. I think this is an obvious one. Whatever endeavor that you are trying to do, whatever that you're trying to do out there, you probably want to learn from people who have been there, who have done it. They are marriage coaches, they are coaches in sport, they are coaches in business, they are coaches in politics. Trading is not different. Of course, mentors have been having a hard time lately, or since retail trading took off. Forex mentors have garnered a bad name because of things that some individuals have done. But the idea of learning from somebody is actually not bad. Like in this video, I'm talking about the trading geek. He is also has his own controversies, but it doesn't mean that there are things that he is not saying that are actually fact, or that are actually good, or things that are actually you can learn from. Of course, he has got his own controversies. I'm not going to get into that, but there are actually some things that you can actually learn from what he's saying and how he's been doing it and stuff like that. So learn from the best. Find people that you can learn from. I'm not saying learn from me, learn from the trading geek, learn from. Find somebody you can learn from. That's how you're going to what to master this game. Sports people do that, politicians do that, business people do that. Talent alone is not enough. You need to learn from somewhere. So learn, learn, learn. Don't stop learning. I've been in this game for many years now. I've been profitable for many years now. But trust me, I still learn. I still watch podcasts. I still read books. I still go on YouTube. I watch people's videos. I learn from them. I take notes. You can never learn enough. Continue learning, learning, learning if you want to master this thing. The fourth point is obviously to have a strategy. Many people actually go into trading, unfortunately or fortunately for the brokers and the market makers. Many people still go into trading without actually having any strategy whatsoever. Whatsoever. I don't know why people still do that, but people still do it anyways. What you want to do if you're going to master trading is to have a winning, maybe proven, or a strategy that you can what go into the markets with. So create and stick with a proven trading strategy. There are many strategies out there. I do use my own strategies on this channel. That is what is working for me. I don't say go and use my strategy. No, there are many strategies that work out there. For example, I always give the example of Fibonacci. I've seen people who make money with Fibonacci. Trust me, I failed with Fibonacci. I don't get it. I failed to understand it. I failed to use. I tried. I failed, and I went back to what trading from zone to zone, trading supply and demand, support and resistance channels. That works for me. It might not work for you. So find a winning trading strategy, stick with it, and use it. Many people hop from one strategy to the next, one strategy to the next. Find one strategy, stick with it. There are times when the strategy is going to lose money. It doesn't mean it's a bad strategy, but there's a time where it's going to actually make you money. So test it out and discover its weaknesses and its strengths. Number five, this will be the last one. Practice consistency. I think it ties in with what I've just said now. There are people who go out there, and trust me, the moment the strategy loses some money, they throw it away and they go and what? Look for a new strategy. So that person never actually achieves consistency in their life, because every day they are trying a new robot, a new indicator, a new mentor, a new trading strategy. They are trying every new thing each and every day. If you're going to go from playing netball to playing soccer to playing basketball to athletics to whatever else is out there, somebody's driving their G-Wagon outside there making noise, whatever is out there, and you keep on skipping, are you going to master anything? I'm asking you, are you going to master anything? So you need to learn to practice consistency. Find one thing that works for you and do it each and every day. Each and every day. That's how you're going to achieve consistency with your trading. I don't want to make this video any longer than it should. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Anything else, see the links in the description box below. Guys, I will see you in the next one. Bye.